Hi, good morning. How y'all doing this morning? How y'all really doing?
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
Leave it in the comment section box below. I really want to know. So this morning I am going to give you a plant update. I planted some stuff. I'm gonna give you an update. You know, some of the plants and stuff before and some of them dead because of over watering by the rain. But I did plant some other stuff and I used bottles and stuff like that and they might catch. So I'm gonna water what I have now. I'm baking. I think I'm gonna change the dirt here. So this one water and the one so attendance with the dirt. So with this nozzle you can change the mommy more so my 2020. Change the speed while I come out, you know. Some other dirt I want to change because some tough dirt. So I bought some fertilizer dirt the other day because I have some pak choy coming and some cotton callaloo, which I need some dirt to plant them in. Move my dining table. Sunflowers stand out the door. So I'm gonna show you those. I make it some sweet pepper. Sweet pepper them catch up good. So I'm so excited about them. So I'm gonna show you guys that now. These are my pak choys and my stuff. These sweet pepper them now. Put in tall. God knows some of them plant over here, so they catch finally. Name rubber for them. So I planted some stuff in the tray the other day and I was wondering why they were taking so long to come up. But then finally I push up now. I have to go find a place to put the sweet pepper them and the pak choy them. I'll take them out. I'll take out the pak choy them. I'll go re-sow them in some bottles. I'll put 2 in one bottle. That I'm going to do this morning. So yeah, I have a dirt. I'm going to do that. You know, it's more than 1 tree in one, so I'm going to separate them. Because the one I did, the weak one I did. I'm going to separate them and plant them single so that they have space to grow properly and be things. I didn't get to show y'all my what is a green here, so you don't know what this is. I'm gonna take you out. This looks like a flower. I didn't get to show y'all my tomatoes. They're coming up really, really well. I'm gonna show you those right now. These are my tomato trees. I'll get them so. I'll put some stick in them. I think I'm gonna lose that one out to come on, man. My tomato trees. Truth be told, guys, I plant this. I'm gonna know what. If I bush or what, God no. Tell you the truth. I don't know what this plant is.
What is?
I think this way you make it.
Auntie, what is Melissa plant here, so?
I don't know. Me want just a bush. And it catch good, you know? Solid. I want next something catching it. You know. Eh?
Why?
If you place, when you have to take over on this, if you not have a place, you have to clean it. Based on how when you dig up the place, but never do it.
Come on, Mel, we are started now.
May I come? May I go for you back there? Guys. So, the plant actually needs some topsoil. I have topsoil. I bought the fertilizer one, the one in the bag. So I'm gonna full up it just so that they have enough around their roots. So when you plant these stuff, when the rain falls, so my dirt beat out actually. So it's always good to always be adding topsoil to them. You get me? Use a little spoon coming on. We don't want to damage them because there's a lot in this spot. I didn't expect to put so much and then catch, but they actually catch, so you have to be very, very careful. Because I don't want to leave them damaged as well. You get me? Farm life. So guys, we're gonna do some work, me and mom. We're gonna clean up our garden bed. Around this, so when I say if you plant something in that earth, so she gonna help me. And we have create one like a garden bed, clean up here so they can get all the natural nutrients from the actual soil. Even though I have topsoil and stuff, so that will work on now. So this is a synopsis of the place, different location. So yeah. Right? So, fix up your son. In my $1,000 van.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine.
So, right now, what are we doing, mommy?
Tired.
Yeah? What are we doing now? Tell the vlog.
You see, you set up if we do the transplant.
So we have plowed the land. So right now basically we're plowing the land. We're back around. We just got to then 2 pieces of board up on my shoulder. Heavy. So we're back around. We're gonna plow up the land now. Prepare for transplant. You understand? The reason why we do it like that because we don't want the dirt to run back, run off the land and stuff. So that's where we are now. So today we basically are gonna plow up, get you ready. We're not gonna put the stuff them in the earth today. Maybe like one next year. When you gonna put them in, mommy? One day. Tomorrow or Friday, mommy?
Tomorrow or?
Oh. Either tomorrow or Friday we are gonna put them in the earth there. Tomato them can come around now. Two.
They go take no plants up on the outside.
So we didn't go grow up on?
And the lining, the okra.
You have to go put some stick there for you grow up. No stick okra grow up on? Tree.
You go by tree. You don't want no. Just jam them at the little column them on the
You can't plant bean too, You can't always put the stick them on the out, you understand?
on the plant bean like I do the sweet pepper and the tomato and stuff.
I may have some one kitchen lettuce. I'm going to try kitchen lettuce again.
Yeah, alright. Just when time we go plant the lettuce. Just the tree where you have come out of the jar. Like on here right to itself.
Yes, we put the three of them there. You understand? Full up your dirt. So my fertilizer dirt can go in that to catch it. That is true.
Right, so you can put all 4 or 5.
In a one. So that we are dealing with now. Focus on it. No need no assist. We just need the stuff them like a printer, Punki got a printer. Punki got a printer in the car. Come more, I need to print out stuff. People them come. You want ink?
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared.
Together. Good job.
Long bamboo or even stick in your backyard.
If you don't make any animal them come in.
Just back off it so. By the tree this so.
Yeah, just total back off.
Come here so. And make one little walkway.
Yes.
Go in so.
Yes.
You understand?
We can't get bamboo.
Bamboo stick.
Bamboo there right now. So guys, this is basically it. This is what we did so far. This is where I end the vlog for today. I'm tired, I know, tired bad. So please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, turn on your post notification bell, leave a comment in the comment section box below, show the love, subscribe people, please, I'm begging y'all, subscribe.